Hey everybody, welcome back to iPhone Bloke, the tech tuber where we help quality people to pick up quality product. Right, so my today's video is of great importance, especially for people those who want to buy SUV in 2021. Are you ready? Let's get started. So I've been lately doing a lot of research on global Ncap, and I can tell you I've been interacting with a lot of you on Instagram and Twitter and various other YouTube accounts. And shockingly, there are very few people those who know the real full form of global Ncap, why it happens, what are the parameters, and what are things they have to keep in mind while buying a brand new SUV in 2021. So on a lot of requests and a lot of research and analysis today, I happen to have a brilliant knowledge for everyone. Even you are a seasoned campaigner or a new driver, if you're planning to buy SUV, this is a must watch video. And the reasons are safety. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what is global Ncap, the full form, how it all got formed, in which year and where, what are the ratings and how cars are checked on certain parameters and how they all are given rating out of 5. So in this video, I've got 4 wonderful cars of India, 4 wonderfully premium loved cars in India, which in the category of SUV, people tend to buy more often than not, but then are they really aware about the security policies? Do they know what sort of security their car have in their own category? So let's get started. The first thing first, what is global Ncap? The word Ncap stands for New Car Assessment Program. Now, this was formed way back in 1978 in US, and US was the first country which actually launched global Ncap so-called formation, wherein they say whenever you buy a new car or a new SUV, they would test with certain numbers and give out the rating out of 5. For example, if I am talking about SUV in this video, then SUV crash test numbers for adult safety are of 17. The highest number of marks what an SUV can get in SUV crash test is 17. For a child protection, that's from 18 to close to 4 years of age, it is around 49 marks. So how many marks your SUV scores based on which global Ncap test gives you a rating? Now let me give you the car which has surprised me a lot and happened to have absolutely zero credibility when it comes to safety. And I'm sure once you hear this, you'll be shocked as well. I'm talking about Renault Duster. Yes, I'm shocked too. Renault Duster in the rating of global Ncap has scored 3 out of 5, and out of 17 marks for adult safety, it has just scored 9. I cannot believe this because Renault Duster has been the top-notch SUV in the Indian market from a very long time, and they have just scored 3. So be careful before you buy Renault Duster going forward. The number 3rd SUV when it comes to safety is Vitara Brezza, has scored 4 out of 5. They have 12.51 marks out of 17 for adult safety. And let me tell you, Vitara Brezza, even though sells a lot, but not, even the best selling Maruti cars are safe on the highway. And I'm sure you got the answer what I'm talking about. I'm talking about mini hatchbacks. So a lot of mini hatchbacks from Vitara Brezza, let's say Maruti platform, I won't name a specific because I know you all know that, is not even safe to drive on highways, but they're selling like hotcakes. So Vitara Brezza has got improved global Ncap is 12.51 out of 17 for adult safety. Number 2nd, which I believe was expected, and I think everybody expected too, Tata Nexon has scored 5 out of 5. That is 13.56 out of 17 for adult safety. And trust me, Tata has been renowned for its build. Even if you see Tata Indica, a very known cab for corporates and stuff, has happened to have a very nice build. So the outskirts, the build quality, the steel what Tata uses is fantastic, and hence Tata Nexon has topped in adult safety but not in child safety. So it has scored 2nd rank, 5 out of 5 for adult safety, 13.56 out of 17 marks as per global Ncap test results. Okay, now let's talk about the number one car in India, which has performed and sold not as much as Vitara Brezza, or let's say as much as Creta, Seltos and stuff. But then it happens to be the safest SUV in India. Any guesses? Okay, let me reveal that. Mahindra XUV 300. 5 out of 5. They have scored, hold on, 16.42 out of 17 in global Ncap test. And in Child Protection Act, they have got close to 37.44, which is the highest and the safest car in India when it comes to buying an SUV. I hope I was able to contribute a lot of information to your knowledge base. Ncap stands for New Car Assessment Program, and the parameters are 17 marks in total for adult safety and 49 for child safety. If you happen to score the maximum, you would get 5, otherwise you end up downgrading yourself. So these are some of the top 4 cars in India which has topped. Number 1, XUV 300, number 2, Tata Nexon, number 3, Vitara Brezza with 4, and third, and the fourth is Duster, which surprisingly has scored the lowest in my opinion. And this is not my perception, this is the perception of global Ncap, which I believe everybody trusts and knows when it comes to buying an SUV. In case if you like this content, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, subscribe me, because I keep on producing a wonderful content on SUV, niche and iPhones. Till next time, you take care.